it's going to be the most impactful vehicle that people have ever seen in their lives, probably.
Well, the design would attract attention, I have to say. Whether good attention or bad attention remains to be seen. What do you make of the
All
pricing,
attention is
though?
good attention.
It's attention, right, at the end of the day. But what do you make of the pricing?
I think the pricing's fair. I mean, they're in the range. I was looking at a Rivian, and Rivians are about $100,000. You know, they're not cheap vehicles. And so when you look at Cybertruck, you know, the Ford Lightning is a cheaper vehicle or less expensive, but it also is less, you know, you're getting less. And so I think, once again, people who want this vehicle are going to buy it no matter what the price is. And this price is actually really fair. And you know, it's certainly not going to deter anybody from buying it. And I think it's a great truck for the price. Like, you know, it's every Tesla vehicle is the best vehicle you can get for the price. Like, you know, especially because they've been lowering prices on vehicles. I've never seen such an opportunity for somebody, especially people who drive gas cars, to get amazing vehicles that you don't have to pay $120 every time you go to the gas station. I mean, it's really, they're changing the world. That's why I'm an investor in Tesla, and I love the company, and I'm excited for the future with these vehicles.
If you're so excited about the future of these vehicles, why do you think Tesla is fully valued at $250 a share? Fairly valued.
Well,
yeah, fully
stocks, yeah, like stocks in companies are kind of like the same thing, and they're different things. So like the stock market's going to, you know, overvalue companies at times and undervalue companies at times, but it's ultimately based off earnings growth. And Tesla, you know, obviously with lower prices have had lower earnings growth and lower earnings estimates, and that's put pressure on the valuation of the company. But, you know, if you look at its valuation, it's very high relative to many other stocks, all the top tech stocks. So I think it does get a fair valuation for what they're doing and the businesses they run, and also the challenges they face, because by no means next year is going to be easy for Tesla, you know. In fact, now that the vehicle's launched, the hard part actually starts. So, you know, for Tesla and Elon, it's time to really focus and make vehicles, because they have, you know, they want to make 50, maybe 70,000 of these vehicles next year, and then grow that, you know, exponentially. So this is the hard part, actually.
This is the hard part. And would you want Elon to focus more because of the challenges ahead on Tesla versus the comments he's been making on X.com and the challenges he's facing there? Do you think that Tesla should do away with its distraction discount?
You know, it's funny because yesterday was like Twitter Elon, and today was like Tesla Elon, and they're like completely different people. And, you know, obviously the Tesla Elon is the Elon that I love and want to see run Tesla full time and try to sell cars and trucks like he did today. And if he was doing that every day, boy, it would be great for Tesla. So, you know, I only want the best for Tesla. That's really my motivation as a shareholder, and his focus, although he's involved with so many other ventures, you know, truthfully, I'm invested in Tesla, and that's what I care about. And I also care about the environment as my main issue that I personally care about. And Tesla is so impactful in changing the world in a positive way. So, you know, it's ultimately my goal to see, you know, Elon focus on Tesla as much as possible, because these